Hello, Mr. UnBreakIt here. Just still working on the phone charger, gluing my label back on my hat here. So, yes, where we left off with the pocket phone charger. So you charge your cell phone just by putting it in your pocket. Body heat. We'll warm up one side of this Peltier plate, and we'll be charging the phone. See what I can get just from my one hand. I'm just gonna hook it up. I don't want to drop this because it is brittle. Red on red, of course. Black on black. And yeah, I can't see my hand again. No, I'm blocking this one. Okay. A little bit. Let's go on that's about the lowest setting. Well, let's get it warm now. Warm it up with my hand here. I want to do this in your pocket. Let's get a little more there. Not much still. Maybe I should flip sides. Warm up the other side. One side you want warm, the other side you want to get rid of heat. So it's perfect for a phone, for a pocket situation. You just have to believe me, these things put off some serious voltage when they get warm. No, I had it the right way. So it can flip polarity if you warm the other side. Okay. Interesting. If I had something to get it hot with, I could set a cup of warm water on it. Try that next.